Today we are going to learn about scalping on GBPUSD trading. In the Forex, it is a major pair, as you already know, and average movement of this pair is approximately 80 to 100 pips in a day, and it is also highly volatile. So trading this pair, if you are looking for a scalping, then you can make at least good profit, even 20 to 30 pips a day. But if you are a day trader and looking for more profits and early entering into a trade, and once trade has collapsed, then entering into exit the trade, here you can do that. So here I will use stochastic indicator. As you can see that this is a GBP USD 15 minutes chart, and stochastic has plotted over here, as you can see that, and you can see that there is it's not a moving market, because here you can see that it's moving in between this range, so now even if you calculate this range, then it's 138 pips. Most of the time it is moving into this range. So how can I get into the trade? Because when you will look at the hourly trend, then it is a buy trade. It is a long trade. Strong buy will suggest all the moving average. I can plot the moving average here. You can see that in a trend on the, if you are on MetaTrader 4 or 5, then you can go to the insert indicator and trend moving average. Here I can plot 200. So here you can see that I was here at this point of time. It is totally a strong signal of buy, and maybe other will say that okay, I will enter here or here, and but as you can see that it's a Monday opening. You can see that there is a price gap, so it's a Monday opening. So Monday it opened below to the last 15 minutes candle, and after that it went back down to its support level, and after that it jumped over there. So how can we trade on this pair? The question is, how can we trade on this pair using a stochastic? Because normal stochastic is here. I can show that the average stochastic is K value is on the oscillator. You can get it on the reset panel here. It's a 533. There is lots of overbought reason, oversold reason. So how can we trade? So to filter out the trade, I change the setting to 34, 80, 80. The K value is 34, D value here you can see that on the properties, K value is 34, slowing is 18, and D period is also 18. Now here you can't filter, but here it's a totally filter. You can see that when market is moving in this region, this is still 34 pips, but it's clearly showing that okay, you have gone to the overbought zone. So once we get confirmation over here at this point of time, it crosses the signal line is crossing. Here you can see that the signal line is crossing below to the overbought zone on this. Over here, we enter the trade. Okay, and we over here you can see that we can, if we enter here first, it will go into the 30 pips negative mark, and after that the exit is here 65 pips, totally 125 pips. Okay, again, but here we are not getting a clear confirmation because the signal line is not below to the oversold zone, so we leave that, and still it's moving in the 48 pips region and there is no trade. And another, you can see that over here it went down, and here we get the buy signal. So buy signal and the early exit, if we go to the early exit, that over here 62 pips. You can see that. Another, you can see that over here. Okay, here we get a buy signal, but it will be in the loss clearly. Okay, but if we look over here, then it's
Good morning, Sanjito.